Hi everyone, I hope that you are enjoying your spring. I am wanting to do a fun brunch. I love brunches, and with Mother's Day coming up, I thought that that was appropriate to show you guys how you can make your own homemade nameplates for if you do a fun Mother's Day party. What I want to do is combine the name card and the napkins. We'll be doing cloth napkins, the name cards, and then adding a little kind of floral detail to it. What I did was I took the name and I added this little floral detail. If you're not a graphic designer like me, then you can just find something online that you can save to your computer and put it on there. You can add this little floral detail, the name, and then what I think is kind of nice, I like those little something extras at a party. The little details are really what make your guests feel special. And so what I've done is I've added fun little notes to each of the people that are coming to brunch. When they unwrap the napkin so they can use it at breakfast, they also get this kind of little note that just kind of brightens their day. The first thing you're going to want to do is, like I said, go ahead and make your little name card on just a regular piece of paper. And then I have found this really pretty glitter cardstock that is just, I love the color of it. And basically it's super easy. All you do is just take double-sided sticky tape and put it on either end of the note card, or the name card rather. And then I am a huge fan of eyeballing things. So what you're going to want to do, what I think looks nice, is when you have the edges a little thinner and then the top and bottom a tad thicker. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I want to move this to the edge, and then before I place it down, I want to look to see is there the same amount of space. You don't want it to be like this and then, I mean, you could do that. It'd kind of look like a Polaroid, which would be cool, but what I think looks best is attempting to find the center and then just making sure you just place it down on there. And then you're just going to cut this side of the cardstock to match that width. And I used to be this like perfectionist, right? Like everything had to just be perfect. And I'm realizing that perfection's overrated and ridiculous. So you can see, like, not exactly even now. I cut that side just a tad shorter, but who cares? I think the thing that is so wonderful when you make something for someone is you have those imperfections and you have those things. It doesn't look store-bought. So the person that is getting it knows that you made it and that you put some time and effort into making them feel special. Take that for what that is. Okay, so now, once you have the name card done, let me discard that. So you're going to want to put it on top of your napkin. And then what I want to do is I just pulled this from my garden, well, cut it rather, and I want to just secure it up like that and then take this ribbon and tie it around. What I think is kind of nice is you hide the little message. So your guests don't know that they're getting this cute little secret message from you. So basically take your ribbon and kind of guesstimate how much you're going to need. Always give yourself a little extra, because in case you mess up, you can always cut it. Okay, so place that in the middle. What I'm going to do is find the middle of the ribbon and just do a loop through it. I've secured pretty much the paper and the napkin. And then in between, put the flowers, because I kind of want them to stand up. I think that would be super cute. So then take your ribbon. This is where it gets this is where a kid would come in handy, because you could have them just put their little finger right there. But you're gonna want to do your loop. You don't want to do a knot and then a bow, because then your guest is gonna have to like undo the knot, which is never good. So that kind of looks cute too. Actually, I think I'm just gonna do that. You're gonna want to just make the bow look pretty. Okay. I mean, how cute is that, right? You can kind of, what might be easier is just to go like that a little bit. Okay. So you can either leave the ribbon ends long like that, which I think I'm going to. Well, no. I can't decide. You can either leave them long or you can cut them. I'm going to just cut a little bit. I like doing them at an angle. I like so the long ways out. Now you can keep this side long, or you can also trim that back, which, no, I'm going to leave it long. I like it long. So that is how you do a fun little name card, which is also the napkin. It's like double duty. But it goes perfect for any type of spring event you're doing, whether that's a brunch or a fun bridal shower or just, you know, maybe tea time with the girlfriends. So that is how I did the name card and napkin in one. I hope you guys try it out for any sort of spring event that you have, and I also hope that you gather your friends and family around this springtime.